at the paper store to broken at the bitter end. Wasted, sacrifice for a new and unborn night. Time sends us on our way. We are the children singing. We are the children. Take us forever. Whisper to scream. A whisper to scream. A whisper to scream. A whisper to scream. Whisper to scream. We are the children finding our way. We are ever helpless. Take us forever. Whisper to scream. Come on, New York, let's see ya. You know you wanna. All right. Now I can actually see everybody tonight. I don't know if any of you guys ever came to see the Icicle Works back in the day. Oh man, you don't look old enough. Do me a favor when you get home to your elder siblings and your parents, would you thank them for getting you into Icicle Works music when you were growing up? And I'm gonna need some ID from you guys down the front there. Anyway, all those years ago when we first came over to the United States, we only had 40 minutes worth of material. And here we are, 40 years later, and we've still only got fucking 40 minutes worth of material. They got it in New York. And we used to drag the songs out a lot, and this one really got dragged out. For those of you who were there, let's see if you can remember how this used to go. Birds fly Manhattan. Birds fly, sing it everybody. A whisper to scream, louder please. A whisper to scream. One more time please. Birds fly. Beautiful. Fly. A whisper to scream. Sing it. A whisper to scream. all.